मुद्दा उठाना चाहता हूँ मैं। आई जस्ट वांट टू हाईलाइट सर, आपने बॉश, माइक्रोसॉफ्ट और एप्पल मतलब सबसे टॉप की कंपनी नाम लिया जाए तो ये टॉप 4-5 की कंपनी। हजारों लोगों का सपना होता है कि मैं इस कंपनी में जाऊंगा और ऐसा पैकेज पाऊंगा, तो क्यों कंटिन्यू नहीं किया आपने? क्यों रिटायरमेंट प्लान नहीं किया वहाँ पे? एंड व्हाई यू स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम स्क्रैच?
There are two reasons for it. One, to start with, when I came to Bangalore in search of a job, I was not a person who can't speak a single sentence in English apart from my name is Naveen.
जैसे स्कूल कॉलेज से बच्चे निकलते हैं और उनको हम ट्रेन करते हैं, फिर हम प्लेस करते हैं, बट स्टिल द प्रॉब्लम इज सेम।
I paid him best infrastructure. I gave him the best possible options. I paid the best fees. So I want my son to be best.
प्रेशर बहुत है समाज का, पता है। मैं खुद अपनी बेटी को स्कूल में नहीं पढ़ाना चाहता। मैं तो कल मेरी वाइफ को बोल रहा था यार छुड़वा देते हैं, बाद में दुनिया बोलेगी कौन सी क्लास पास है, 4th क्लास पास है, बट दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा बिजनेस चलाने की कैपेबिलिटी रखेगी।
Definitely.
आपने फुल रिफंड भी किया बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स को। एजुकेशन में तो ये कभी पॉसिबल होता नहीं है, बट व्हाई यू रिफंडेड?
This is going to be one of the
अच्छा
because the day when I came to Bangalore, you were the one who hesitated to hire me. But now I'm in one of the finest company and I'm in one of the finest destination. And this offer is to just to tell you that don't underestimate anyone.
एब्सोल्युटली राइट।
So
नवीन सर,
yes,
बहुत बहुत स्वागत है आपका
Thank-
द फाउंडर्स टीम में।
thank you so much.
कैसे हैं सर आप?
Superb, really great.
अभी हम थोड़ी देर पहले बात कर रहे थे कि आप डिजिटल में बिलीव नहीं रखते हो।
Yeah.
मैं भी नहीं रखता था।
Okay.
मैंने जब अपना बिजनेस बनाया था सर, वो टोटली मतलब कभी मैंने कोई ऐड नहीं चलाया था कुछ साल, मतलब 21, 22, 23 तक हम कोई ऐड नहीं चलाते थे, कोई मार्केटिंग नहीं करते थे। सिर्फ डायरेक्टली रीच आउट करते थे कि किसी कस्टमर का पेन पॉइंट है, मुझे ये काम आता है, आई विल रिजॉल्व योर दिस थिंग।
Exactly.
तो अगर आपको इंटरेस्ट है तो बताइए।
Yes.
ऐसे करके मैंने मेरा बिजनेस बनाया, बट धीरे धीरे हुआ क्या, टीम में लोग आते रहे एंड लोगों में मार्केटिंग के भी लोग आते रहे, तो उन्होंने मुझे कन्विंस कर लिया कि सर अभी डिजिटल का ही एरा है, आपको डिजिटल जाना ही पड़ेगा आफ्टर। मैं कहा यार ये कैसे होता है? फिर मैं इस बिजनेस में आया, फिर मैंने पॉडकास्टिंग स्टार्ट करा, वो ऑटोमेटिकली लोग आते गए, चीज़ें होती गई, बट स्टिल मुझे अभी तक पता नहीं कि कितना फ़ायदा होता है और कितना नहीं होता है।
Mm,
स्टिल आई एम डूइंग हार्ड वर्क।
okay. Hard work definitely results in a positive way. So
वो
definitely.
कब आता है, कैसे आता है, वो किसी को नहीं पता आज तक। तो आपकी बात करते हैं सर, आपने भी बॉश में काम किया, माइक्रोसॉफ्ट में काम किया, एप्पल में काम किया। क्या आप स्टीव जॉब्स से मिले हो?
Yes.
आप मिले हो स्टीव जॉब्स से? वाओ! किस किस
It's an honor.
करते थे सर? कैसे क्या बात होती थी वहाँ पे?
No, ideally, I'm not such a luckiest person to work with him. But yes, so there are few things which I really don't know whether people know about him or not. So there are certain scenarios where he never used to wash his socks, whatever he wears and everything. So he believe only in his identity. So he will just come, whatever the thoughts it come up to his mind. So he will just put it across and just leave. Done. So this needs to be done. This needs to be done. Probably if you observe with the first product when they launched with the iPod Touch, that was the time when I was with Apple, where the lid of that iPod Touch,
Correct.
the box,
Correct.
the moment when you place it, it used to go, it used to take it very smoothly. He used to look into that micro level satisfaction of a customer. So that is where I have learned it. Because just now you said about like hard work definitely penetrates to every human. It takes time, but it lives in their mind for the longer time, for sure. So these are all the things which actually drive me the best. Because Dr. Amar Gopal Bose, who is the founder of Bose, so he believes in customer requirements, not with the product.
Correct.
We can see there are so many people out there which they talk about only the brand.
Correct.
So he speaks about what exactly the customer need. Accordingly, we can give you the best sound solution. That was his intention. So I worked with such people, and that's an inspiration, and it's my honor. So lucky enough to be a part of their team. So now I'm here with my own business strategies and everything.
सब आपने आपकी कंपनी बनाई है, कंपनी का नाम है बेस।
Yeah, Bharat Academy of Collaborative Education.
ओके।
Yeah.
बेस के बारे में बात करने से पहले सर एक छोटा सी एक मुद्दा उठाना चाहता हूँ मैं। आई जस्ट वांट टू हाईलाइट सर, आपने बॉश, माइक्रोसॉफ्ट और एप्पल मतलब सबसे टॉप की कंपनीज है वर्ल्ड में, अगर नाम लिया जाए तो ये टॉप 4-5 की कंपनी। हजारों लोगों का सपना होता है कि मैं इस कंपनी में जाऊंगा और ऐसा पैकेज पाऊंगा। आई एम श्योर दैट आपको भी सब कुछ मौका मिला होगा। तो क्यों कंटिन्यू नहीं किया आपने, क्यों रिटायरमेंट प्लान नहीं किया वहाँ पे, एंड व्हाई यू स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम स्क्रैच कि अभी मैं पैसा लगाऊंगा, इन्वेस्टर को लेके आऊंगा एंड फिर उसके बाद बिजनेस करूंगा, व्हाई?
Okay. There are two reasons for it. One, to start with, I didn't had any intention of having the best business.
करेक्ट, ठीक है।
First thing. Second is all about there is a incident which I used to share with my students most of the time. I used to have a team of HR with me.
ओके।
I was in the top segment where I can hire people.
Hmm.
And it resulted in such a way that again in one of the quarterly meet, one of my junior, she was making fun of a candidate, stating that like, so this is the way how his resume was. So he didn't even know how to speak in English. So that's almost like a humiliation. But I did ask her, so what is the reason? At least you could have informed him what are the areas of improvement.
Absolutely right.
Probably the next interview could have been the best for him. You know what she said? So I have struggled a lot to reach this extent. Let him also struggle. Why the hell I have to help him? So this is the mentality what almost everyone is having. I have struggled.
सही बात है।
So why do I have to inform the other that like no, don't struggle like this? So why we don't have such kind of a positive mindset? I really don't understand. So the similar incident which has happened multiple times, and it reminded me my older days. To be honest, when I came to Bangalore in search of a job back in 2003 and 4, I was not a person who can't speak a single sentence in English apart from my name is Naveen. So I was in that situation.
Wow.
Even I still remember the first HR whom I met. She did told me that if you are not a person who can mix with such a great team and all those things, if you don't know English, I think it's better you go back to your village and start doing something which you can do. And after a year or two, I did apply for the same company. And when I got the offer, I asked with the junior HR, is this lady still working in this company? She said yes. So I asked her, like, can I meet her before I accept the offer? And she said, probably, like, she will be the one who takes the induction because she is the head of the HR. I said, like, before I accept the offer, I have to meet her. So then on my request, so they made her to come. So I met her. I told her, like, probably you might not remember me, but I said, I remember you. Because the day when I came to Bangalore, you were the one who hesitated to hire me. But now I'm in one of the finest company and I'm in one of the finest destination. And this offer is just to tell you that, like, don't underestimate anyone.
Absolutely right.
So that's the first day of my career. And definitely now I'm in the topmost position than what you are at this point of time. So I just rejected the offer and I came back. So that is the way how I was. Now, when I was in that kind of a designation, when students are still the same, that is when it hurts. After decades of education, even till date, if you ask any student or maybe candidate who is applying for a job, they always have the template who say that, like, I have finished my graduation, I have finished certain additional certifications. Now I'm searching for a job. So that tendency or the trend, nothing much changed. Probably, like, yeah, the technology might have introduced, AI might have come, so many things are there. People say that, like, you might be losing job and all those things, but students are still in such a dilemma that, like, what exactly is happening in the market? They don't know. So the reason why I say that, so you are not educated, you are just trained. 21 years in the schooling, they said, like, keep quiet, don't ask questions, come to my cabin if you have any questions. After 21 years, recruiter will ask you, like, why are you so silent? Why can't you speak? Why can't you mingle with people? Why don't you have a smile on your face? Why are you having an artificial smile on your face? So if these things are happening, even if you join for a company, the team leader or maybe the manager, I'm not blaming anybody, but it is something that, like, so they start training you in another way around. They say that, like, you have to mix with people. So have a lot of pressure in the work, how to handle challenges. So by the time you realize what you are, it will be 35 plus. Then sir, go be nikal gaya, sir. Then what is the next thing? Then he will have either maybe his daughter, maybe son. he will start. He'll say like, don't be like me. So I'll put in one of the finest schools, and I'll make sure that like, no matter how much ever the debt I have, I'll ensure you should have a best education. And again, the same cycle repeats. They undergo with the finest schools, but they end up with nothing. And after that, after graduation and everything on that, even people still say that like, I'm still working with the Swiggy because there is no job opportunity. So the concept is they are unaware of what is happening in the market. They only know how to complete the graduation, how to complete the certification, but they don't know what is next. So that is where we ended up.
कितना खतरनाक लूप है सर ये तो, मतलब पूरा माइंड को एकदम माइंड सोचने पे मजबूर कर देगा। मैं तो अभी जैसे बात हो ही गया इस पॉडकास्ट के माध्यम से, मैं तो बोलता कम हूँ वैसे, पर जब भी बोलता हूँ सॉलिड ही खोलता हूँ। मैं तो बोलता हूँ कि हर बंदे को सवाल पूछो।
Yeah.
आज रियल एग्जांपल बताता हूँ सर, मेरी एक बंदी है ऑफिस के अंदर सेल्स में। मैंने बोला यार कैन यू रिपोर्ट टू हिम दिस गाय, ठीक है, इस बंदे को रिपोर्ट करोगे। तो मैंने अब लोगों को इतना एम्पावर किया है, मैंने कहा यार बोलना, सवाल करना, जो मन में हो वो बात बोल देना।
Yes.
उससे क्या होगा, ना तो तुम गिल्ट ट्रिप में रहोगे, ना मैं रहूंगा, और कोई टेंशन नहीं रहेगा, और काम पे हम थोड़ा अच्छा कर पाएंगे।
Correct.
तो उसने मुझे बोला कि सर कुछ भी हो जाएगा, मैं उस बंदे को रिपोर्ट नहीं कर पाऊंगी बिकॉज वो ग्राउंड पे नहीं रहता मेरे साथ। मैं उस बंदे को रिपोर्ट करूंगी बिकॉज वो मेरे साथ ग्राउंड पे रहता है।
Okay.
सवाल किया, बोल पाई, तो शायद वो आज मेरी नज़र में ऊपर उठ गई। लोग बोल नहीं पाते हैं, वो है ना कीप क्वाइट। दूसरा रिक्वेस्ट एचआर से कि कोई भी मतलब आपकी कंपनी में कैंडिडेट अगर इंटरव्यू देने आ रहा है ना, पहले तो उसको ग्रीटिंग्स करो, थैंक यू बोलो कि एटलीस्ट वो चल के आपके पास आया है, उतना ही कर दो। वो खुश होके जाएगा, उसको रिजेक्ट करो। उसको ये मत बोलो कि देखो ये आता है, ये नहीं आता है। हमारी कंपनी की रिक्वायरमेंट ये थी, वो उससे मैच नहीं कर रही है, इस वजह से हमने आपको रिजेक्ट किया है। जो भी आपके एक टर्म्स एंड कंडीशन होती है वो बोलो, बट उसको थैंक यू जरूर बोल दो एटलीस्ट। मैं तो मेरी कंपनी ने बोला है कि मैंने कहा एटलीस्ट एक चॉकलेट भी ला के दे दो बंदे को कि यार वो आया है, वो आता है यार।
Yeah.
नहीं आता बाकी बात है, बिकॉज सिस्टम अलग है।
Exactly.
और सर आपने तो मतलब आज स्टार्टिंग में माहौल बना दिया एक लूप होल समझा के। आई थिंक बट वो उसको सॉल्व कैसे करेंगे सर? मतलब इवन मैं भी बहुत क्यूरियस हूँ उस चीज़ को सॉल्व करने के लिए। और इतनी कंपनी से मिलता हूँ मैं, वो बोलती कि हम जैसे स्कूल्स कॉलेज से बच्चे निकलते हैं और उनको हम ट्रेन करते हैं, फिर हम प्लेस करते हैं, बट स्टिल द प्रॉब्लम इज सेम।
Uh, let's make it very simple, Abhishek. If you want to hire someone, let's say probably from your studio, maybe anything, or graphic designer, you want to hire someone, you will have certain expectation. This is what I wanted from the candidate. And if I tell you that like, there is a candidate who has done certification, okay, certification who has given from some XYZ institute where they taught him whatever they wanted it. So they haven't taught what exactly you wanted it.
करेक्ट।
So now what happens is, now there is a one more thing. The recruiter wants something because when you go to a hotel, you wanted to have a dosa. And that guy is coming and telling you that like, I have idli, I have puri, and I have this thing, and boss, I want to have dosa. No, sir, we don't have dosa. We have all these things. Similar concept is happening here. So graduation, I have done. Additional certification, there is someone who comes up and says that like, you have to do this certification program, you'll get a job. Yeah, just if that is the case, then like, why don't you propose a deal for the institutes? Just tell them that like, fine, whatever the fees that you say, I'll pay for it. But if you don't commit to your word, if I don't get any job, I'll put my 100% effort. If I don't get my job, if you don't support me, you can't give my time back, but at least you can give my money. You don't know like, how difficult was that particular time, how to arrange that fund to pay you. So if you can't give the time, at least pay back my money. I know what needs to be done next. First thing. Second is all about this education from the day one till now. Have you applied any Pythagoras theorem or anything of that sort? Apne bhi definitely have learnt all those. So we don't get a chance where we can use those sin theta, cos theta, and all those terminologies in our entire life. We only know how to get certified. Correct. That is there. But we don't know how to lead the life when problem or maybe situation arise. We only know that like, okay, so my job is done. If you ask any parents, they say that like, I have given him the best education. What do you mean by best education? Finest school. I paid him best infrastructure. I gave him the best possible options. I paid the best fees. So I want my son to be best. Even I got parents who say that like, I have spent 35 lakhs for his engineering. So I told them directly that like, the 35 lakh you could have made at the FD. You could have got a better choice than having this.
नवीन सर, यहाँ पे एक छोटी सी प्रॉब्लम है।
Yes.
प्रेशर बहुत है समाज का, पता है। मैं खुद अपनी बेटी को स्कूल में नहीं पढ़ाना चाहता। मैं तो कल मेरी वाइफ को बोल रहा था, यार छुड़वा देते हैं, बाद में दुनिया बोलेगी कौन सी क्लास पास है, 4th क्लास पास है, बट दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा बिजनेस चलाने की कैपेबिलिटी रखेगी।
Definitely. वो तो है।
पहली बात, 2 लाख रुपए मैं साल का जमा कर रहा हूँ।
Yes.
2-2 लाख रुपए करते करते भी 10-15 लाख रुपए हम दे चुके हैं। आगे वाले 10 साल पे कम से कम भी 50-60 लाख रुपए दे चुके होंगे। मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि अगर हम धीरे-धीरे वही हम किसी एसआईपी में या फिर एफडी में ही रखें तो भी करोड़ों रुपए होते हैं।
Okay. There is small correction.
ठीक है।
Education in the sense, you need to have a certification. अगर आपको एड्रेस प्रूफ पूछ लिया तो क्या है आपके पास? आधार कार्ड है,
आधार कार्ड है।
इनकम प्रूफ, पैन कार्ड है. So similar way, education, you should have a proof that one certification is there. We need to have education. So that is mandatory because that's a minimum applicable or maybe the eligibility to apply for any job. So now, if you talk about my son, he studied in the regional medium. I mean, the Kannada, whatever. So he learned it in regional language till 7th. I spent only 1,800 for 7 years. Okay. Now he is into CBSE, where I'm spending around 35,000 rupees an year. I haven't looked in for any top infrastructure or the top schools. So he is into one of the CBSE schools. Now, what's my agenda? Once he's done with 10th, what next? If you look in different countries, they do not have such kind of a JEE, NEET. These kind of exams aren't there.
Correct.
They only have 5-year graduation program. You just finish your graduation program. Be what you are.
Correct.
By the time we understand this concept, we cross 35 plus. We say that like, so my graduation 21 years, that is a template, what we have. 10 plus 2 plus 3. So I have to complete this, then I have to go for a job, then earn money, pay EMIs, finish my life. Done. So we are grown up with such kind of a template where even like right now, you rightly said, like, I want to change the aspect of it. Changing is, you have to change the way how you have to educate your children. You will not be able to change the entire society. Correct? It is highly impossible. So only thing is like, as a parent, how can you nurture your son or maybe daughter? That is most important. Yeah, it's okay if she don't score 80% or 70% or 90%. It is okay. End of the day, it's your daughter, right? And it's my son.
But I told her ना, it's about society pressure. मेरा ये it's not about अभिषेक व्यास का स्टोरी। मैं ये स्टोरी सुना रहा हूँ आपको लाखों लोगों का। ये जो मैं सोच रहा हूँ ना, सेम थिंग एवरीबडी। मतलब अगर मेरे अपार्टमेंट में अगर 1000 लोग रहते हैं, 1000 पीपल के छोटे छोटे बच्चे हैं, सो द सेम सोसाइटी प्रेशर इज गेटिंग बिल्ड अप कि यार नहीं, मेरे को मेरी बेटी को या बच्चे को आई वांट टू सेंड टू दीस स्कूल्स।
Why is that? Because you want to show off. The school bus has to come. So you have to show them that like my son is studying in Oxford School, and I'm not taking any particular brand name, but it is just a show off to say that like, so this is where my son is studying. Just to show that like, how premium lifestyle you have, you are creating a pressure for your children.
Correct.
So even if you start learning the AI in the age of 7 or 8, so now people say that like, there is Gen Z, they know everything, so they can play with games in the mobile. Parents might have told you that like, so she is very sharp. You just hand over the mobile, she will know everything. So, but that energy is not channelized in a proper way. Correct. We are just using it as a tool to ensure that like, my son or maybe my daughter should never cry. So whatever she wants it, I will give it. Correct. Whatever the school she says, the best school I want it. Even my relatives should say that like, oh wow, he has a premium lifestyle. So we are in that loop, including the parents. They are in pressure. If they go to their office, team manager will have their own way to handle them. And once they are back, so they will handle the same pressure to the children, stating that like, I'm putting you in one of the finest school. Why are you not studying? Correct. So even for a kindergarten children, they started asking that like, so tell me the rhymes, tell me this, tell me that. So what is the use of it? See, I'm not saying that like, don't get educated. Training is different, education is different. We lost the meaning of education and the training. We don't know the difference. Similar way, we don't know the difference between a price and value. We say both are same.
Both are same.
So information and knowledge, whatever you're going to ask, now the Gen Z or whomsoever, the youngsters, they just open up the Google and say whatever Google says,
It's correct.
it's correct.
Right, 100%.
That's how we have created, and that's how the pressure has been created.
समाज को बदलना हो तो अपने से बदलेंगे, बट आपको लगा कि बेस के अंदर इट इज़ ए बिजनेस ड्रिवन, नॉट ए स्टूडेंट ड्रिवन या ट्रेनिंग ड्रिवन?
Both.
इट्स अ हार्ड
Question.
है।
It is a difficult question.
हाँ,
To be more precise, what exactly? If I say forget about business, अगर मैं आपको पूछता हूँ कि why do you need money?
ओके, मेरे को पैसा क्यों चाहिए? मेरे को चलो कंपनी का छोड़ देते, बट आई थिंक बच्चे को एजुकेशन अच्छा देना है,
ठीक है।
अच्छा घर हो जाए और एक अच्छी गाड़ी हो जाए, थोड़ा
Okay.
घूम फिर ले।
तो
That's it.
अच्छा गाड़ी क्यों चाहिए? You can have a 10 lakh rupee car.
हाँ,
So do you still need a BMW?
नो।
So that satisfaction level, we should have it. First thing. My satisfaction level for people of 5 members in my family, I know how much I need it to run. So apart from that particular thing, whatever the rest you're going to get it. Why do you need it?
इट्स एक्स्ट्रा।
If
बट
you
यहाँ पे एक छोटी सी बात आती है कि मान लो कि हर साल वो समोसा 5 रुपए का आता था, बट वो आज 25 रुपए का है, तो वो बढ़ रहा है। सो वो बढ़ने के लिए अपन को एक्स्ट्रा अमाउंट कमाना ही पड़ता है,
ठीक है।
बढ़ना ही पड़ेगा आगे, तो उसको स्टॉप नहीं कर सकते आप।
हम्म।
जैसे आज कंपनी चलाई मैंने, तो कंपनी का एक्सपेंसेस मान लो 1 करोड़ होता था साल का, तो आफ्टर 5 ईयर इट इज 10 करोड़।
या
करेक्ट, विद द सेम सेट ऑफ पीपल, बिकॉज उनका सैलरी बढ़ रहा है। मुझे तो आगे भागना ही पड़ेगा ना, बिकॉज मैं उस ट्रैप में हूँ अभी।
yes.
अगर मैं नौकरी भी कर रहा हूँ तब भी सेम है, बिजनेस भी कर रहा हूँ तब भी सेम है सर।
Okay. So definitely it's a good question to ask. Now, if you are getting a remuneration, अगर आपको remuneration आ रहा है, so definitely the remuneration is fixed by you. This is what I wanted. Similar way, even if you're working, you will not have that template because your income is being designed by the employer. Okay. So now you definitely look for a different job opportunity. That's a different thing.
Yeah.
But when it comes to your expenses, now I said like, for family of 5, I need 50,000 rupees. If you ask me 10 years back, it could have been 25 to 30. Half of it, probably. So I'm just giving you a calculation. So now it is 50,000. So if I say 50,000, definitely whatever the job, what I'm going to do it, apart from the training programs. So I do have a passion towards photography. I do have a passion towards projects which I can take it up for the construction outsourcing. There are so many things where the verticals I can work with. So if I'm getting the funds, whatever I needed to run my family, the rest, everything, whatever I'm going to get it, it is just in the bank records. Why do you need to have to show off everyone that I have so much of money in my account? So the more you show off your content, people will start either to blame you or to take benefit out of it. So they will start getting, see, one of my guru rightly said, if the tree is full of fruits, then only you'll get the stones. People will start throwing the stones at it. If there is nothing, there is very limited, people look into the other tree.
करेक्ट। तो सर आपने मतलब कोविड के टाइम पे एक स्टूडेंट को प्लेसमेंट दिलाया था।
हाँ, मैंने
राइट, मेनी प्लेसमेंट। सो क्राइसिस को अपॉर्चुनिटी में हाउ यू टर्न्ड?
COVID was something really a different thing because we initiated in 2015 this particular base. Initial days, students used to ask me that online is very difficult, sir. It's better we come to the institute. We love to take the training. I used to ask them you need 1 hour to come all the way from your place to the institution, right? 1 hour is a training program. Then after that, again 1 hour of your time. So it's a waste of time and energy. Why don't you invest it over the online programs where we have a different smart tutorial program where the things are entirely different, where you can see the entire software on your screen, where the instructor can train you by clicking on one specific content. So they train it in a very different way. So it was not reaching to the mark because people are not getting convinced for the online program. But the moment when COVID came, so it is almost like a ground rule that everyone should go online. Correct. Now my job has become more easier initial days, like, I felt like, something went wrong. So now my business is gone. So that is the time when even my wife, she said, like, nothing to worry. Let's see, things are going to, it's not only us we are facing it. Everyone are facing this. So let's try. Then recruiter used to start coming with us, and they used to approach us and they said, like, do you have any candidate with so and so skills? I want to hire from you. So that is when the things are getting smoother, when started giving the training and each and everything on that. So people used to get hired, they started working on hybrid. So everyone started informing others that, like, even on COVID, I'm getting salary because of these people. I have so many students who said that. So that is when slowly, one by one, it started.
सो नवीन सर, मैंने सुना लाइक आपने फुल रिफंड भी किया बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स को,
हाँ।
और ऑन एजुकेशन में तो ये कभी पॉसिबल होता नहीं है, बट व्हाई यू रिफंडेड, क्या हुआ था ऐसा?
Okay. Refund, this is going to be one of the marketing strategy also.
अच्छा, मार्केटिंग
I'll also tell you that. It is one of the marketing strategy as
Hmm.
well. If you tell them, if you tell anyone, it is free of cost, you won't value that. Anyways, I'm getting it for free. Correct. But the agenda is, I want to run my education for free of cost. But there is a clause. So you pay me the entire fees first. Later, once you successfully complete your program, once you successfully paced, don't worry, I'll refund your money. Why this? It's because there is an incident which one of the parent, they came, they informed, like, and this is what my son's situation. So we need your help in getting him placed. We said, okay. So we informed what exactly the program fees and the recruitment, whatever it's been mentioned. I was observing the day when she came, she was with a gold chain in her neck. The very next day when she came to pay the program fees or anything of that, she didn't had that. But it won't be right if I ask her directly. So I asked my wife, because she's going to be the administrator. I asked her, like, so just have a personal rapport. Ask her, like, what made you to pay this fees? Like, is someone helped you? How exactly the thing? She openly said, I pledged my chain and I want my son to be placed. So we did a hard effort. He got placement in Deloitte. And once it's been done, after a month or two, we never ask any recruiters to pay the 1 month salary, those kind of things. We never do that. So we just paid back the entire amount to her with her bank account. The very next day she came. She had almost, like, her eyes were in water. She said, like, you don't know how much relief I got it. First thing. Second is all about, even my son didn't pay me a single rupee to pay the interest. But you made this such a thing which is really possible in life. So she said, like, God will take care of it. She is actually from a Muslim, and she did say that, like, when I go to Mecca, I'll remember you guys. I'll definitely ask the Supreme Power to bless you. So can you get it if you pay someone, saying that, like, I'll pay you some money, you go to religious place and pray for me? Can someone do that? So wholeheartedly, this is where it triggered me, stating that, like, if possible, why can't we give a refund program? Education is a service. So that is when it started up. It's kicked off really well. And I have so many students who still till date, like, they remember me. They invite me if they start any business. They invite me as a chief guest. So whenever I'm in a shopping mall or maybe somewhere, one or the other student will come and approach me, and they really love to speak to me. They say that, like, even their parents. So these things you can't buy it. It can happen only with the way how we build a rapport, and at the same time, what they need it is the best job. What I need is money. I got it. But whatever the extra, what I'm going to get it. Rather than paying it to EMI and to the bank, it's better to pay them back. Simple. Why should I have to invest for interest and all those things?
मतलब ये 24/7 एजुकेशन है सर, मतलब लाइफ, मतलब एवरीथिंग
Yes.
कैसे करते हैं 24/7?
For example, I cannot.
वो कैसे काम?
Yes. We have a team more than 120 plus. and I have a basic plan which says that if you are joining with us, you can work with different projects, but whenever you are free, give me the time frame. That is when you can be free, where you can take up the sessions. Let's take an example. आप structural engineer है and you are the finest. You might be having your own business, or maybe you might be working under someone, maybe in one of the company, but you want people to get trained. You want additional income. Okay, so now I am the person who approaches you, telling you that what's your time frame, when exactly you are free. You might say that after 6 I'm free till 9 o'clock. I can take up the session. So in India 6 to 9 is fine, but when you are in New York, or maybe in Dubai, or maybe in Melbourne, so the time frame, the time zone will differ, right? So if a student enroll to one of the program, if he says that I want to take the training at 1 a.m. in the morning, either he could be from Dubai or maybe somewhere, I have the similar pattern where there will be one person who is free on that particular time. I can match and I can get it done. And the best part is I never have any full-time employees. Correct. So I want everyone to be free to earn money, because after 35 plus, you will never get any job opportunity. Right. You have the time frame from 21 to 35, which is a 14 years of time. Correct. Where you can prove yourself how beautifully you can build your life.
आफ्टर 35 तो जॉब मुश्किल भी हो जाता है.
You would get ना आप देख रहे हो अभी AI का ज़माना है, so definitely people think that the jobs are gone. Correct. The same tendency was there in 2000. अगर आप recollect करते हैं, computers have come. Correct.
Right.
Now things are going to change. We are going to lose the job. So ऐसा कुछ बात हो रहा था. But finally, the computers have come. People are still there. So they are still working. Now AI has come. It is just a kind of marketing gimmick. At the same time, people want their brand to establish. Correct. All AI platforms, there are so many AI platforms, they want to establish themselves. Right. Just recently, some Ghibli effect has come, so everyone started Ghibli effect. So why they are doing it? Everyone behind money. They want to establish their brand. But this will definitely, it takes time to reduce that trend. Automatically something else will come. Again, AI will go.
Right.
So,
ऐसे ही होना.
but who is the end result is who is facing all the issues? We think that we know everything. अगर आपने, if you ask any of your students or the candidates, ask them how exactly AI is helping you. They only know how to chat. They only know how to write an email.
That's it. उसके अलावा नहीं है. मैंने तो चेक कर लिया ऑलरेडी.
So they have to come out of that particular context, and they should know how exactly I can build my own network. In what segment? If I'm a civil engineer, what am I supposed to be? Interior designer, architect? They don't even know. अगर आपको कुछ स्टूडेंट से बात किया, सिविल इंजीनियर क्या बनना चाहते हो? That's a template we have it. You ask anybody the same question, what do you want to become? So they don't have any clarity. They say I just finished my graduation. देखते हैं, whatever the job opportunity I get it. Depend on the CTC, I'll choose the job.
करेक्ट. ऐसे ही है अभी भी. तो 10 साल पहले भी ऐसा ही था, 15 साल पहले भी ऐसा ही था, और आज भी ऐसा ही है. सेम.
So CTC तो होगा definitely, but that is not going to suffice you. So it is entirely different context altogether, because you don't know what exactly you wanted. So end result is after certain years of time, we still have that tendency that I need more salary. I need more salary. Why do you need more salary? Maybe to pay the EMI of your iPhone, maybe the bike, or maybe that's it. Not for your self improvement. Tell me, अगर आपको किसी ने मिला अभी तक, so that I want to invest money to improve myself.
Nobody. मतलब मुझे no one. कोई नहीं मिला था अभी तक.
So they say that I want to improve my lifestyle, but you never try to improve yourself. That is where we are lagging. The moment when you improve yourself, automatically people will come to you.
नैरेटिव सेट करना पड़ेगा. एजुकेशन सिस्टम अगर सेट करना, फिर ये नैरेटिव बनाना पड़ेगा. अदरवाइज इट विल नॉट कम. मैं तो मेरे माध्यम से, द फाउंडर्स टीम के माध्यम से, आई थिंक आई एम डूइंग इट.
अगर मैंने आपको एक क्वेश्चन पूछा,
हाँ.
Abhishek Vyas,
हाँ.
is there any one more person who is exactly like you in the entire world?
Entire world तो no.
You are the only one masterpiece. Similar way, everyone are having their own masterpiece. But we don't know the purpose. What is my skill? Where I can fit in? How to improve my career life? They are not even aware of what is happening. They just finish their graduation, they just come out of the thing, find out a job. That's it. We are in the same context from past decades altogether. So that needs to be changed. That is where we work. So I have the recruiter, I have the candidate, I'll make them work together.
तो सर इस पॉडकास्ट के कुछ आखिरी सवाल, क्योंकि ये सिस्टम बदलने के लिए बहुत बोलना पड़ेगा।
Definitely.
ऐसे लाइव क्लासेस अगर आप दे रहे हो एंड आई थिंक देयर आर प्री रिकॉर्डेड सेशन आल्सो इज देयर, राइट? अ प्री रिकॉर्डेड सेशन और लाइव सेशन, व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस? क्या फ़र्क पड़ेगा अगर मैं एक प्री रिकॉर्डेड सेशन से अगर कुछ लर्निंग करूँ और मेरे को कोई लाइव सिखा रहा है? वो तो इट्स डिपेंड ऑन मी।
Definitely. So probably if I say like from YouTube, you will get almost everything. Students used to ask me, sir, we get a lot of training in YouTube itself. Why do we have to pay you?
Correct.
What do we have to learn from you? So I said, definitely, yeah, you rightly said. So in YouTube, you can learn horse riding, car driving. You have all those options. Why don't you try that? So information is what you get on YouTube. If you say pre-recorded session is something that they won't keep them engaging. So if we both are interacting right now, if there is a pre-recorded session, so suppose aapne busy hai, aap busy ho, so you have recorded some questions and you upload it, and you ask me that whatever the question which is coming on the screen, you just keep answering it. You don't know that that human touch. We never get that option. We don't even get an option where I can ask you some questions. I'm facing some issues, so I want to ask you some questions. Not possible. So that is where I can sell the program for even for 499 rupees. There are so many academies which says that the same program I can teach you for 499 rupees. Even I tell students why do you want to spend 499? You can get it for free of cost. But that is not the training. So how do you know that what exactly the recruiter wants and what exactly the skills that is required to get a best job? And if you are not focused on what exactly the career you wanted, then there is no point in searching for a job. Simple, right?
बट आई थिंक सर आप बिजनेस अल्टीमेटली तो एक बिजनेस ही है और सर्विस है।
Yeah.
सो प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी, प्रेशर्स को हैंडल करना, ऑपरेशंस को मैनेज करना, लाइक हाउ डू यू आर मैनेजिंग?
Profitability, that is where when it comes to the context of making money, I know what are my expenses. The additional ones is always considered as a profit, but for me it is not exactly a profit, because at the moment when I have a profit, I'll start investing into something else. First thing.
Correct.
The moment when I start investing on something where I stick to that particular EMIs or anything on that, which will start again. Because one of the billionaire recently I have seen in, he never have his own home. He stays in a single bedroom apartment. If someone asks him that, why? Because he said that, that makes me to stick to that particular place. I'll not be able to roam around. Now I can go to any country. I can own the citizenship whenever I want it. I can stay there for some time. I can go back to a different country again. So I'm flexible.
मतलब यहाँ पे एक डायलॉग याद आ रहा है मेरे को, और डायलॉग ये है सर, डिसिप्लिन ही सबसे बड़ी फ्रीडम है।
हाँ, definitely. And one more thing to add on, अगर आपके पास कोई debt नहीं है, there is no loan at all. Whatever the amount you're going to get it is there in your account. That gives you more confidence than having an iPhone or maybe the Royal Enfield bike.
करेक्ट। चलो नवीन सर, एक लास्ट सवाल की लोग ये बोलते हैं कि टीचर्स की क्वालिटी कैसे मेंटेन करोगे, बिकॉज लाइव सेशन है, किसको हायर करोगे, उनको भी सिखाना है, वो बच्चों को क्या सिखा रहे हैं।
Yep.
दैट इज वेरी मोर इम्पोर्टेंट देन एनीथिंग।
Most of the time, I always recommend my team to paint a picture in children's mind or maybe the candidate's mind. Because if you keep talking about technicalities of every software, it's very boring. But if you make them understand how this is going to help you to solve one particular situation or maybe the problem, that is when they get curious. Okay, I face this issue. How to resolve this? That is how you have to train them. So it is not that you click this, you click that, you'll get the end result like this. That is not the way how it works. So you have to make them understand the realistic problems what people are facing in life in terms of this particular software, maybe to the construction. How can you resolve this? That is when the entire answer stands out.
डन नवीन सर, एक पॉडकास्ट का एक आखिरी बात बोलता हूँ। आपने मेरे को स्टार्टिंग में बोला था कि अभिषेक थोड़ा कुछ एक अच्छा पॉडकास्ट आपका देखा, बट उसमें व्यूज़ बहुत लिमिटेड थे।
हाँ।
और मैंने बोला कि सर 140 करोड़ की जनता है और 7 करोड़ लोग ही टैक्स पे करते हैं। तो 1-1.5% ही हुए जो लोग पे कर रहे थे। मैं यही बोल रहा हूँ कि जो फाउंडर्स जिनका पॉडकास्ट नहीं देख रहा है ना, वो उस क्लब में आ ही नहीं सकता है।
वेरी राइट।
तो वास्तव में उसको इंटेलेक्चुअल बनना है, चीज़ें समझनी है कि यार बिज़नेस में हो क्या रहा है। मैंने जो आपसे सवाल किया ना आज कि सर आपने सारी कंपनीज़ में काम किया और पूरी दुनिया वही कंपनी में भाग रही है। ये आपको बैक टू लेके वापस आया। वो लोगों को समझने में ही सालों लग जाएँगे। पर अगर कोई आंसर अगर रिलेट कर लेगा तो शायद उसकी ज़िंदगी 1 सेकंड में चेंज हो सकती है।
इजीली।
और मैं एक बात और बोलता हूँ सर कि आपने बोला ना कि किसी ने ह्यूमिलेट किया एक बंदे को फिर आपको सोचने पे मजबूर किया दैट अरे मैं भी तो सेम बंदा था फिर आपने चेंज किया। सिर्फ एक शब्द बोला हुआ आपका वो पूरी दुनिया चेंज कर सकता है। आपकी दुनिया चेंज कर दी शायद हमारे इस पॉडकास्ट से किसी की दुनिया चेंज हो जाए।
Maybe. I hope so.
थैंक यू नवीन सर और
Thank you so much. Thanks for your valuable time. Yeah.
ग्रेट कॉन्वर्सेशन।
Thank you.